Hello everyone! Welcome to our booth of LongJoin Photocell company. We have been focusing on production street light controllers for more than 20 years. The main role of the street light controller is to automatically control the switching action of street outside lamps. And also, the biggest benefit of using such devices in your industry is to save energy, protect environment, and of course, reduce the labor cost. So, light control is divided into two categories. The first category is mechanical control, which can be used for light control of outdoor lights, such as floodlights, industrial lights, and mining lights. And the second type is electronic control, most of which are twister lock type controllers. They are used for light control of outdoor street lights. And all these controllers, they often need to be connected with NEMA standard sockets. This 7-wire socket can also be linked and loaded to the customer automatic dimming system. We also have developed a series of Jaga standard sockets and light controls in recent years, and we smoothly entered European market with this type of products.